everybody. This is Daphnee Lagredelle, small business strategist. Today, I'm here to give you the 8 steps to start an effective online business. So, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And more importantly, click on the bell so you're aware when I drop a new video. So, today I'm going to talk to you guys about the steps that you need to take to start an effective online business. As a business strategist, I've helped over 550 women start their online business. So today I'm here to give you some of the things that you need to be aware of. So step number 1, you need to target your audience. You need to know the audience that you want to work with, right? Targeting your audience is key. So that's why it's step number 1. Step number 2, you need to do the planning of the business. And when I'm talking about planning of the business, you need to create a business plan. You need to get the business name. You need to research about supplies. You need to research about the startup cost. Estimate manufacturing costs, research competition, set realistic goals, because some people are not setting realistic goals, right? Research marketing pricing for your item that you're about to sell. So those are part of the planning to start your online business. And for step number 3, you need to do marketing. So by doing marketing, we're talking about create a website. We're talking about business email address. We're talking about social media accounts, email signature, mailing list, business card, images, you name it. So marketing is really important in your business, and you need to start today, right? Put everything down on paper, start today. So the marketing was step 3. Step 4 is to do the legal structure of your business. We're talking about obtaining an EIN number. We're talking about setting up accounting system. We're talking about the structure of the business, what it's like, what does it look like, right? So you need to know all this great information to start with the legal aspect of the business. So step number 4, right, is products and services. You need to know about your simple product, what you're about to sell. You need to order supplies. You need to create a pricing list. And more importantly, you need to have a designated workspace, because you need to have discipline to work. If you don't have discipline and very organized, it's going to be hard for you to do so, right? So product and services, it's the step that all of these things that you need to do. And we have step number 5, which is branding. Branding means choosing the color, having a logo, the tagline, the slogan, the business card. When it comes to selling, packaging, what does it look like, right? When you're setting out your product, what color? Those are important things when it comes to branding that you need to be aware of when you're starting an online business. And the following step is finances. Oh yes, you need to have an order management system in place, a shipping manager system in place. You need to do, is it text marketing you're doing? You need to have processors, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, whether it's Braintree, whether it's a merchant service, right? You need to have that, and this is exactly where also you need to open a business big account, because you do not want your personal you don't want your business to be part of your personal stuff, so you need to keep them separate. And the last step is you need to do the analytics of your business. A lot of people are selling, but they don't know who's coming to their business. They don't know about the leads, how many customers they have. Let's say the metrics of the business, they don't know that in the back end. You need to know that. You need to know, sign up for Google Analytics. You need to sign up for Google Search Console. You need to, if you have a website, to have the search engine optimization. You need to optimize everything in your business. So If you would like to start your online business, please click on the link in the description below. I can have you because I do have a mastermind in a webinar also to teach you step by step how to start this process. So thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you next week for another video. Ciao.